some reason though, you gotta fill it up with air starter extinguisher.
I won't go there.
No, actually. You think it's gonna start?
Oh, it'll start.
Air gas leaking?
Hasn't started in 2 years, but it'll start.
Yeah. Anybody got mosquito trouble? We were looking at it, trying to figure out how to hook up the ice cream maker.
Oh yeah, well, it has not run. It certainly hasn't run in a year. It might not have run since you guys were here last. I don't know. Is it going fast? Oh yeah, it does. Let it warm up a little, then we'll.
What kind of
Then we'll take it for a ride.
What's that?
What kind of machine is this?
Well, it's a 1922 Hercules Model G hit and miss engine.
Hercules.
Hercules, yeah. Does it do anything else? No.
That's beautiful.
When I bought it from Gary Paulson. I don't know if it's Gary. I bought it from Gary. Watch yourself, protecting. Don't get wrapped up in that.
Yeah.
I got it right now. It's got a drip every 30, one drop every 30 seconds. It goes right down through here, through this cooling.
Alexa on the driveway.
That's right. So now you guys are going to be screaming for mercy in about 5 seconds here. We're going to run it up. Yeah. It's a little rich. Bring it out.
It's gonna take off.
All right, that's enough of that. No. Slow down.
Not bad.
Yeah, you don't want to burn too much fuel.
No. It's 3/4 stable and 1/4 gasoline.
Well, it raises the octane a little, up to like about 20, maybe 25.
Yeah, stable. No, kill it. You think these guys never saw this before? They've seen it every other year for the past 10 or 12 years. I got the guy thing. You gotta get certified.